What's up guys? It's a Saturday, this is your man Jury, and welcome to my room. While a lot of my friends are doing crazy stuff right now, they're outside partying or somewhere out of the country, I decided to just stay at home and, just rest instead and have a bit of an alone time. So while I'm inside my room, doing nothing, watching YouTube, watching random movies, I realized that I haven't cleaned my room for so long. So looking around, I noticed that there's quite a lot of clutter already, and honestly, my room is literally untidy right now. So this is how my room looks right now. It's literally messy. I can't even describe how my room is at the moment. And I noticed that I keep on sneezing every time I'm in my room. So that is a clear sign that there's already a lot of dust settling on all my furniture right there, on my bed, on my wall, everywhere. It's crazy. There is so much mess. I don't know how to begin and I don't know how to clean this. There's so much clutter around. But I only know one type of person who can clean my room properly. And that's
a ninja.
Ben, may tiketa pa. Alright guys, it's time to clean my room. Let's do it! Dude, I don't know about you, but I love how my room looks right now. Clean floor, zero dust, everything looks clean, and I'm loving it. The only thing different here is that table. It used to be on that side of the room, and I moved it over here. The reason why I did that is I want to be able to move the curtain aside and open the window. That's just basically it. That's my PC right there. That's where all the magic happens. I'm just loving it. I'm just loving the cleanliness of my room right now. For me, it is important to have a clean and tidy room. As much as possible, I want to keep it spotless, free from any dust and any clutter around. For me, it's important to have a clean room because it somehow says a lot of things about you as a person. Especially if you're a vlogger. You don't want to be showcasing your viewers or your subscribers your messy and untidy room. So if you're a vlogger like me, try to keep your room very, very tidy because your room is the only room that you can completely be yourself. Out from all the negativity, out from all the judgment from the outside world. It's the only place where you can do whatever you want and nobody's gonna say anything about it. You're tired from work and you're stressed and all, and the last thing that you want to happen is going home to a untidy, dirty bedroom, and you don't want that happening to you. So that's it for now for my today's vlog. If you like this video, if somehow this video inspired you in cleaning your room, please subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button for notification so that you get notified for my future videos. Bye now!